Namaskar. I am Pratik Tiwari. I am the founder and CEO of Living Greens, and this is the condition of almost every growing city in the world. Cities have become like large octopuses which are devouring the green farmlands and the pastoral lands around the city. They are just devouring them and converting them or replacing them with concrete jungles. And the rooftops of these concrete jungles are barren and empty. These rooftops receive a lot of sun, they heat up the buildings, and in order to cool the buildings, we have to use a lot of energy. Rooftops of almost every city today is lying as an unutilized, barren, redundant space. In the year 2013, we created Living Greens with one single mission: to convert rooftops into lush green organic farms. Today, after 8 years, we have converted rooftops to become like this rooftop organic farms. But in order to do farming on the rooftop, we have created a research-based product which is called the portable farming system. A portable farming system looks like this. So this is a portable farming system which consists of a green container which is made up of 7 layers. It is protected from the ultraviolet rays of the sun, which means that it has got a long life. The joints of this container are not heat sealed. Now this is a very important quality of a container. It's a design advantage that we have brought in, because if the container had heat sealed joints, then due to the temperature variation on the rooftop, the heat sealed joints would have become weak and the containers would have started leaking. The container is held in place by an MS frame which is powder coated, and thus it has been made rust resistant. The most unique feature of our portable farming system is the organic soilless medium that you see filled in this portable farming system. Every portable farming system is filled with 430 kg of organic soilless medium. Besides being extremely lightweight and porous, a very unique property of this soilless medium is that it becomes more and more fertile and more productive with the passage of time. What this means is that as your portable farming system grows older, it becomes more productive. On a rooftop, you can set up multiple numbers of portable farming systems and grow a wide variety of seasonal vegetables in the portable farming system on the rooftop. So we have put an array of portable farming system here on a large rooftop just to demonstrate that such large rooftops can be converted into lush green organic farms. The portable farming system is equipped with its own drip irrigation system. This is extremely important, not just to conserve water, but to also ensure that the organic root fertilizers directly reach the root zone of the plants. On top of a portable farming system, we have a green net. The green net can be installed and uninstalled as per the seasonal requirements. All types of seasonal vegetables can be grown in a portable farming system. The soilless medium, the organic soilless medium, is crop agnostic. What this means is that any kind of crop can be grown in this organic soilless medium. We are growing organic vegetables in over 200,000 square feet of rooftop space in more than 800 houses spread across 22 cities in India. You see the white net on the portable farming system. This is called a bird net. This is an optional accessory which can be ordered separately besides the portable farming system, and the bird net is used only in those cases where you have a bird problem on your rooftop. So by putting multiple portable farming systems on a rooftop, you can not only produce organic vegetables for your own consumption, you can also do commercial rooftop farming. Now the biggest advantage of commercial rooftop farming is that the farm is right in the heart of the city, because of which you don't have to make heavy investment in creating supply chains for moving perishable vegetables from farm to fork. When we talk about rooftop farming, we are bringing the farm closer to the fork. In fact, the farm can be brought so close to the fork that your customers, even your most premium customers, can be expected to come directly to your farm and harvest their own fresh organic vegetables from the rooftop farm. We are growing many different vegetables here. For example, we are growing beans here. You can see the prolific and the abundant fruiting of beans here. This is beans. Then we are growing broccoli. Here we are growing brinjal. See the abundant fruiting. Almost every plant is fruiting. You can see lots and lots of brinjal here. Now, while I am showing this to you, I would like to remind you once again that this abundant production of vegetables is happening without a single molecule of soil. All portable farming systems are filled with an organic soilless medium. We can prepare saplings in the portable farming system. In India, the winter season has just begun, so most of the portable farming system we are using to prepare saplings. So we are preparing saplings here. These are all saplings for the winter season. So all kinds of seasonal vegetables can be grown. This is spinach being grown here, tomato. We are even growing strawberry here. This is red lettuce, what is also called Loloroso. This is red lettuce here. Here we are growing romaine lettuce. Now imagine all these things, all these fresh organic vegetables growing on a rooftop, either for self-consumption or for commercial sale. These are strawberry plants. Look at the condition of the plants. They're absolutely they're fantastic. They're growing very well without a single molecule of soil in the organic soilless medium which is filled in these portable farming systems. Now, just in case you have a monkey problem on your rooftop, we have created the anti-monkey frame. Let me show you a long shot of the anti-monkey frame. So this particular portable farming system is enclosed with a wire net, and this is called an anti-monkey frame. Now, how does this anti-monkey frame work? Our agri expert is going to just demonstrate. You can see the handles here, and this is how the frame is opened. You can work on your vegetables. Your vegetables are now reachable. This is potato being grown. And then once again, the anti-monkey frame can be put back on the portable farming system. You don't have to cover your entire roof with a metal net. Only your portable farming system can be safely enclosed in this anti-monkey frame. Now we have talked about vegetables. Let me surprise you further. So these are vegetables growing without a single molecule of soil. Now let's talk about fruits. Is it possible to grow fruits on the rooftop? Of course. Let me show you what we are growing. Now this is a product which is called a fruit bag. This is a fruit bag, and once again this fruit bag is filled with an organic soilless medium. And let me show you the guavas that are hanging here. See the guavas? See the size of the guava. Isn't that amazing? You are growing organic fruits on your rooftop, and as I said, it could be for self-consumption or it could be for commercial sale. And please remember that this guava plant is growing in an organic soilless medium. We are not just growing guava here. I would like to show you the drumstick or the moringa tree once again growing in a fruit bag. So fruit bags can be installed on your rooftop, in which you can grow tall trees like the drumstick tree which you see here. Look at the fantastic growth of this tree. Here we are growing custard apple in fruit bags, and here again we are growing guava. This is a nice big guava. We have enclosed it in this net because the birds come and peck on it. So the fruit bags can be used to grow organic fruits on large or even small rooftops for self-consumption or for commercial sale. For those who are living in flats and apartments and who do not have an open rooftop space like this, we have created a unique product which is called a vertical vegetable gardening system. Now this vertical vegetable gardening system is not a hydroponic system. It is not a hydroponic system. Once again, this vertical vegetable gardening system is filled with a unique organic soilless medium, and the vegetables that you see here are all growing in that organic medium. Let me show you what we are growing here. That's romaine lettuce. Look at the absolutely crisp leaves of the romaine lettuce. And imagine that this lettuce was growing in the balcony of your flat. This is green amaranthus, rich with iron. Look at the prolific growth. And here we see strawberry vertically being grown. The strawberry plants are growing very well. The winters have just begun, so we are expecting the flowering and the fruiting to happen in another 30 to 40 days. Here we are growing red lettuce. All this is growing vertically, and this is fresh organic mint. Once again, the vertical vegetable gardening system can be used not just for growing vegetables, not just for self-consumption, but also for commercial sales. This is bok choy being grown here. This is bok choy. And finally, we have lemongrass in the bottommost planters. Lemongrass being grown in the bottommost planters. And every planter has got its own drip line. As you can see here, every planter receives water from drip irrigation system and thus grows very well. Now, almost all edible herbs can be grown here, and even some bigger plants like chili, brinjal, even tomato, we have successfully grown in the vertical vegetable gardening system. This is a highly water efficient system. It's also a very space efficient system. And another interesting thing is that this is a customizable solution, which means that the height and the width of the system is customizable as per the space available in your balcony. The only thing required is that your balcony should be sun facing. It should receive at least 4 hours of direct sunlight. So these are the innovative products that Living Greens brings to people across the world. Living Greens is working with one single mission: to convert unutilized, unused urban spaces into food growing spaces. Thank you for sparing your time and visiting our urban farming center today. Thank you and God bless you all.